Now for our next pattern, we're going into a hammerlock parallel walks. The lady goes back 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take her into a hammerlock, 1, 2, 3, 4. We walk around, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I'm going to take my left hand under my chin, and Melina's going to do a complete turn, and now she's going backwards. So she's going backwards with her right foot, I go forward with my left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we finish just going to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll do this again. Lady goes back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn, turn, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.